Hi everyone, welcome back to my Rochelle family. I'm Vanessa if you're new here, and today I'm going to unbox a file accordion from Ecostash. Super excited. Oh, nice. You've got so many colour options here. You have pink, yellow, blue, green and purple. Oh, this is beautiful. So this is the file accordion closed. If you're like me, you have so many documents and papers that you need to organise, this file accordion is perfect for you. It's eco-friendly and sustainable. It's actually made from wheat, which is really cool. So no plastic or any unnatural man-made materials with this. I've got this in yellow, one of my favourite colours. It's lovely and bright. And I'm going to decide what I'm going to use it for. These are all the dividers to help making organising simple and easy. And it also comes with labels to help you organise. So you've got months of the year, and you've also got plain ones, so you can just write and label it how you wish. And you've got another big label for the front. Here it is. It's like an accordion, that's why it's called file accordion, file organiser. So you can close it easily and open it easily. Bit of ASMR for the sound. I love the multicolours inside as well, which makes it easier for you to organise and separate your files. It's strong enough for you to stand it up on its own. Once you put it up to stand, you put it in a filing cabinet, you can put it on a shelf, you can make it look like it's part of your decor at home. It feels so smooth and nice to touch. Environmentally friendly material. This is very, very strong and sturdy. If you can see this, it's not going to tear easily and it's not going to break and crack. It's not going to wear and tear easily. Very strong. The outside material as well as the dividers inside. And I can't wait to use it. So if you're interested in this file accordion from Ecostash, hop onto Amazon. I'll leave all the information in the description box below where you can get your discount from Amazon with the discount code. I'm going to enjoy this. I'm getting ready to use it already. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.